안녕하세요. 좋은 아침입니다. 이제도 복습하도록 하겠습니다. Let's do our practice or review. 자, 빈칸에 들어갈 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. So, here guys, still we are dealing with the fill in the blank. So, fill in the blank. Terokal almajon got. So if you can see this one, guys, almajon got meaning those correct. So please choose those correct that can fill in the blank 빈칸. 자, 1번. 어제는 친구들과 점심을 blank 바로 도서관에 갔습니다. 갔습니다. The verb here is verb kada in a past tense. Kada meaning went, to go. Tusuguan, library. Here is the particle that attach the time, place, and situation. So since this is a place, so that's why you can see paro, immediately. Immediately blank. 점심, 친구들과, with friends, yesterday. So yesterday relates sa past tense 갔습니다. 1번, 먹는다. 먹는다, guys, is present form of eating. In a grammar way, 먹는다. So it's 먹는다, it's eating. 먹거나, 거나, guys, there's meaning choices. Eat or, you eat or, so this is a choice, verb plus kona. This is choices. Na siya option. This is or. 3번, 먹고 나서. Eat or after eat. Human og kaon. Pagkahuman og kaon. Blank. So, 4번, 먹다 보면. So, 먹다 보면, guys, in grammar way, da 보면 is when I see and take or eat it. So, if I see to eat it. So, pagkakita nako, ako sang kaonon. Or, mogda pomyon. If kaunon ako, blah blah blah, unsay akong resulta, mogda momyon. So, here guys, the correct answer here is 먹고 나서. So, 어제는 친구들과 점심을 먹고 나서 pag kagahapon ko no, pagka together sa iyahang kanang mga friends, pagpaniod to, 점심, pagkahuman og kaon sa paniud to, paro immediately tusugwane 갔습니다. So niadto dayon sila sa library. So 정답은 3번입니다. Number 2. 이사 갈 집을 이사하다. So vocabulary of isahada is to transfer one place to another or to transfer one house to another house. If we are going to say transfer, it is also in other vocabulary in a verb form is omgida, but that is more on object. So, 이사 갈 집을 blank panghakte 좀 바빴습니다. So, 바빴습니다. This is from the word 바쁘다, busy. So, it was busy, 좀, a little busy. panghakte. Te is time, panghak is vacation. So, a bit busy during vacation time, blank, isa kalchib. Kal will go to transfer house. So, 1번. 찼더니, 떴니. 찼더니. So, meaning to say, guys, when I search more, 찼더니, because I search more. 2번, 찾으려면, if, 려면, if going to. if going if going to find 3번 kuhado록 guys, in order to find. Okay, so this is same vocabulary with chatta and kuhada, to secure, to procure, to get, to acquire, in order to durok. kuha느라고, kuha느라고, 느라고 guys is verb plus 느라고. This is something reason. So this there is a reason. Because I find, because I'm looking for. Okay. So here the answer is 4번. 4번. Okay, let's see. 이사 갈 집을, okay, 이사 갈 집을, the house that I'm going to transfer blank. So, kuha느라고 kay mangita siya. Kay mangita siya kay. This is reason. Panghakte. During the vacation, panghak is school vacation or semester break. 좀 바빴습니다. I am busy. Alright? So, the answer here is 4번입니다. kuha느라고, something reasoning. Okay? 으니까, 해서. So, that is also. So, that is grammar way of because. Okay. 3번 문제. 다음 밑줄 친 부분과 의미가 비슷한 것. So here, guys, the clue here is 비슷한 것, 비슷하다 or 같은 것. So 비슷한 것, those the same. 그러십시오. So you have to choose the same word, the same meaning. Okay, 의미, meaning 친 부분, the part of below, 밑줄 친 부분, the below words, and meaning, those the same, please choose. So the following. Okay, so here, please choose the following, the same word or meaning here below. So 1번, 3번, sorry. 어제 본 공연은 눈물이 난 정도로 감동적이었습니다. So, 어제, yesterday, 본, I saw, 공연 is the play, stage play. 눈물, nakaluha siya, 눈물이 난 정도. All to the point na siya nga nakaiyak na siya, nakaluha na siya, nakahilak. Kamdong so na-touch kaayo siya. Alright? So, unsa may same word niya din he. 1번, 날만큼. 날만큼 is to the max nga na naka-feel siya ana. 2번, nalkaba. It seems like something makaluha siya. Nanon according to the nunmurinan, ang iyahang same aning word, nunmurinan 정도로. So, ang atong pangitaon diri nga same meaning aning nunmurinan duro is nanon according to the one that is luha. Next is 나는 대신, 나는 대신이, 나는 대신이 is instead of. So this is instead of. This is according to, and then nalkawa, murag something. Also something dili sure. Nalkaba. Or number one is nalmankum. Nalmankum is kung unsa to'y nakita niya, maopoy iyahang feeling. So here the answer is 1번입니다. 눈물이 난 정도로 감격이었습니다. So, same niyag meaning is 날만큼. Okay, 날만큼 is 눈물이 정도로. Kanang unsa to'y iyahang nakita dito sa stage play, maupoy iyahang feeling. So, here, 감독적. So, same. So, 날카봐, this is not sure. So, murag makahilak ka or dili, something. Nanandero, so, kung maghilak o hilak, something like that. Nanon teshini, o instead of siya nalay mo, hilak, something like that. So, the answer here is 1번입니다. 날만큼. Okay. 4번, 두 사람은 알고 지냈지만, 두 사람, two person, 알고 지냈지만, they know each other, but 직장 동료, the co-worker in the company, 사이일분입니다. So only they are co-worker in the company. So unsa may iyahang same word dire? Okay? Say pulguahada. Ang ilaha ko no relationship is impossible. Alright? Say is the relation. 2번 사이라면 좋겠다. If we are talking about the relation nila, it will be good. 3번 사이일지도 모른다. Okay? So they don't know if they have the relation na sila'y connection. Okay? 4번 사이라고 볼 수 없다. 사이라고 볼 수 없다. Di nato sila makita nga matawag nato nga naa sila'y connection or relation. Alright? So here, if you can see, two saramon algo tinitiman. Ang duha ka tawo they know each other, but 직장 동료 say ilbun. This one, guys, only ang ilaha relasyon is as a co-worker. So here, what is the best answer that is same aning iyahang meaning? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So here guys, the correct answer is 2번입니다. 사이라면 좋겠다. So it's good if we are talking about relation or connection because they know each other, though they are only as a co-worker. So they have good relation. Pulguahada is impossible. Murunda, they don't know. Pulso upta, we cannot see. They have relationship. So that the correct answer is 2번입니다. 자, guys, this one is the vocabulary for this one by one. If you ano, mga grammar ni siya dinhi. So you can refer to your grammar handouts and sa inyong handouts. And if you have any question, you can ask me. So that's all for today. 자, 마치도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다. 수고하셨습니다. 전화를 주십시오.